Let's learn one of the most stylish and popular ways to tie a tie, the Windsor knot, also known as the full Windsor or double Windsor. Start with your collar flipped up and your tie draped around your neck. If you're right-handed, hold the wide end in your right hand and the narrow end in your left. Keep in mind that the longer you make the wide end, the lower your finished tie will sit. Getting this starting position right will save you time and help you nail the perfect length every single time. Before we dive in, make sure to subscribe for more quick and easy style tutorials. Cross the two ends, bringing the wide end over the top and leave about 4 inches or 10 centimeters of the narrow end hanging below. With your left hand, take the wide end and slide it up through the back of the neck loop from behind, pulling it all the way through. Next, wrap the wide end completely around the back, switching hands as you go. At this point, you'll notice the back of the tie is now facing outward. Now take the wide end in your right hand and bring it through the front of the neck loop, pulling it straight down all the way. That's the trickiest part done. The rest is simple. At this stage, the inside of your knot should resemble a neat little triangle. Place your left index finger on the knot to hold its shape. With your other hand, wrap the wide end around the front of the knot from right to left and catch it from behind. Keep your finger in place, then bring the wide end up through the neck loop from the back, threading it through the opening at the top. Now for the finishing touch, your index finger has created a small tunnel in the knot. Simply slide the wide end of the tie down through that tunnel and pull it through. From here, adjust and tighten the knot by gently working the wide and narrow ends, shaping it into a crisp, symmetrical triangle as you go. Fold your collar down and there you have it, a perfect full Windsor knot. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide helped you master this classic look. Don't forget to subscribe for more simple tie tips and tutorials.